Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 29th of October 2025. So today basically market muted lah. Everyone is waiting for Trump and Z conference meeting okay, tomorrow on the whether can have any new trade deal okay, being agreed upon okay. So we got a good trade deal, both sides shake hand, happy. End of trade war, I think market we got chance to continue go up okay. But if quarrel, no trade deal, all this happen, then market might have a drop So, but nobody is going in heavily in the market today You see these few days okay, nobody. Okay, that day Donald Trump came to Malaysia, did do some dancing, did spark the market went up a bit but after that, and Japan also after it dropped, went to Japan also market also affected a bit went up, but then after that not much now everyone is waiting for the next big thing okay, the meeting between Trump and President Xi Okay, quick disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purposes only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, after a few days of hot day, a cool day, now the hot day is back again. Oh, it's so hot outside. Okay, but let's go through the global market Now it's 4 o'clock but you don't need to wait till 5 o'clock okay, to see how the market is going. Now it's 4:30 already Wow, time go through very fast. Okay, 1610 okay, KLSE 2.75 points up 0.17%. Sorry, it's 2.75 point drop, 0.17% drop but as I said 1,006. Okay, if negotiation fail in tomorrow, I think probably 1,006 gone but if successful, maybe we got another bullish run Okay, Singapore dropped 0.141%, Hong Kong dropped 0.331%, South Korea strong 1.764%. Trump is in South Korea of course they have to push it Japan also coming back strong, 2.167% up, Thailand up 0.092%. China A50 up 0.452%, SSE China up 0.705%, and SKYGATE China big rebound 1.945%, big spike Australia dropped 0.958%, Taiwan up 1.237%, and India Nifty up 0.486%. Okay, quite okay. Asia today looks quite good. Okay, look at Europe, UK up 0.392%, FTSE DAX German up 0.051%. DAX is still consolidating Okay, look at US Dow Jones up 0.340%, NYSE dropped 0.459%, S&P up 0.229%, and Nasdaq up 0.804%. Another all-time high okay, and yesterday reported that this Nvidia reached 5 trillion company, okay, market cap, right? And this Apple reached 4 trillion just a while but just how big this company are okay, this US company. Okay, look at crude palm oil 4,350 drop, Brent oil dropped 63, crude oil dropped 59, gold also dropped 4,019, silver went up a bit 48. Dollar against ringgit dropped 4.1900, Bitcoin dropped back to 113, Ethereum 4018 So nothing much happening here. Look at BURSA. Okay, now it's 1610, dropped 2.94 points 0.18%. Volume is 2.482 it's low volume so I don't have, so this today will not reach 3 billion okay. Sentiment is 40, gainers 405, losers 597, unchanged 489, untrade is 1245 lah. Okay, foreign fund again yesterday net sell 237 million, local institution net buy 227 million, and local retail net buy 10 million lah. Even though I think okay, even though the US strike a deal with China, okay, the market might go up a bit but you have to know okay, market is contrarian one I mean the how the big fish operate so when everybody is very happy, no more trade war. You see during trade war, right, US market fly like crazy, right? When the trade war finish okay, you won't be surprised don't be surprised if the market drop. Okay, so this is always contrarian I mean, it will still go up for a while for all these last 4 more in to chase in, but then probably it will drop but hopefully continue up we have to I'll go to the chart so I just warn you I'm not saying this is gonna happen, but this could happen so don't be too trigger happy okay. JCY, okay, JCY looks okay today. Capital A, okay, Systech. I said Systech you can keep some okay. Systech you can keep some. Systech could be coming okay. Because there are some management changes okay, positive looks like. Look at the sector all in percentage construction drop 0.48, consumer drop 0.11, energy drop 0.2, finance drop 0.12, healthcare drop 0.74, industry up 0.49, plantation drop 0.34, property drop 0.54, REIT drop 0.2, technology drop 0.11, telco up 0.06, transportation up 0.04, utilities up 0.38 so not much happening. Look at KLCI. Okay, so KLSE is still stuck in this shoulder okay, whether it happen, whether it's a shoulder or not, left shoulder break or not, we have to wait okay, see any development there okay, in the US China. Okay, ACE market up 0.05. A market, you see they are they are trying to defend the neckline okay, they are trying to defend the neckline okay. Small cap still sliding down slowly. Mid cap mid cap still sliding down, small cap false break so looks like now still consolidating after a small false break So ACE market up 0.11, small cap up 0.06, and mid cap up 0.06, and small cap drop 0.2 so this is not closing numbers but I don't think you go far healthcare continue drop like I said don't trigger happy okay. There's no guarantee that we will gain an advantage okay, and also market oversupply okay. Look at Facebook. GF Tech GF Tech top gainer later we're gonna check out Wong, John Sniper. No. What to do? Foreign fund want to sell, what to do? Done. Yesterday night, look at your explanation. Ngam AWC breakout, RSI breakout. Today or retrace a bit. This one got chance you say okay. Hopefully go to $1 okay, 1 ringgit AWC okay. AWC we got a flat pattern breakout right? We have flat pattern breakout so this one got chance okay. Nova, okay or not? NCS 7 cents. Oh, you see, when you asking me a stock at 7 cents okay or not? You think what I want to say? What can I say, right? Okay, stock cannot drop to 7 cents. I'm not saying company not good all this but if it's okay it should not drop to 7 cent or 65 cent. I'm not saying that company, I'm not saying that it got no chance to rebound. I'm not, you're asking me that, you're asking me whether company okay or the chart okay. Okay. This stock okay or not? I don't know how to answer. Of course not okay. 6 cent. Okay. but I think he say potential or not. Okay, stay above 8 cent, then you can consider okay, if you break through 8 cent with volume means volume average volume is 3.8 right, so now it's still below volume still below, it's not very good okay, it has to have volume okay, and it has no very clear pattern that it really broken through so you don't have any very clear pattern. But once I think okay, once it stay about 8 cent, maybe can consider but these 8 cent stock I don't play. I reset 8 cent, these are too easy to manipulate okay, Greetech, I think yesterday, right? Is it head and shoulder okay, where got Greetech no head and shoulder. Head and shoulder you need to form first, not yet form you need to wait for it to form the head and shoulder first okay, it could be head and shoulder could be head and shoulder if it drop below here okay, it drop below here, it could be I'm not saying could be head and shoulder so you need to drop below probably around this 2 ringgit 2 ringgit 05 okay, it drop below 205 I think here this low here okay, 206 okay, if it drop below here then maybe maybe it will have a drop so you see all these all depend on the on what happening next okay. And the not good 3 rand cup and handle, already cup and handle no, except you need to form the proper, you need to form the handle you see this is a cup, right? So you need to have a handle handle, then only break out no, this one is so small you cannot say it's a handle, right? Okay, you cannot say for now it doesn't look like a handle okay, maybe we will form cup and handle but not fully formed yet DIY can hold or not? Why DIY so bad okay, DIY now at support 1.62 1.62 but DIY I think maybe you might for long term there is another trend line here okay, there's a trend line here. I think probably for DIY maybe you want to put your stop loss here give it some room maybe 1.49 around here if you still can stay above 1.49, still give it a chance because you see it's rebounding from bottom channel so it might consolidate a bit after the scare if tomorrow got any big problem on the negotiation Go, where is the support? I recommend River as a support, right? Go, you miss out already, right? Where is the support? I said, here right? It could drop to 3,004. The big support here, there is a minor support here 3.8 Okay, there's a minor support around maybe around 3.8 area But I do think the big one is 3.4 I do think okay, I do think okay, it could come back to 3.4 okay, there is a possibility that it could come back to 3.4 So, but I think when it come back to 3.8 area, it might have another rebound for you to run I don't think it will straight drop to here I don't think so I think it will come to here, around here. It will rebound one more time, make a lower high, and I think then only it will come back to this area This is what I think okay. Opportunity come already. Stanley, John Sniper, what's this? Why different color card? John Sniper redoing research. Okay. Okay, go through the market, go to the news. Hey, where am I? Hold on, stuck already. Okay, this one. DUFU, okay, turn to profit lah. Last year was loss lah.
DUFU technology returns to the black in 3Q25.
Okay, 3Q last year 65 million revenue, now 71 million due to the forex lah. Forex, okay. Last year I think the loss due to forex lah. Yesterday, last year, third quarter loss 3.2 million, now profit 10.5 million, done very well, up 427% YOY lah, okay. So did very well. DUFU, DUFU. Luckily, still got DUFU lah, okay. So it might rebound higher lah, it might rebound higher lah, but still it's risky lah now lah, because you really at the target area. You see now, right? After what it does at the target area, that's why I said you buy now. You see, it's just consolidating. Or it might make another triangle pattern or flat pattern. Then we want to wait for it to break out. Then only want to add. Or if we drop back to support, then only we buy again. So that's why when you want to buy now, is nothing too much to play yet. It did rebound, but I'm not saying this is not a breakout. It's not going higher. It is at the target area. Some are buying, some are selling. So they start to consolidate sideways. So that's why you buy here, you headache lah. Why suddenly drop? Why suddenly go up? Because you are not buying at the breakout, or not buying at when the stock is moving. You are buying when the stock is resting. Okay.
MAHSING eyes new data center partners as second deal with Bridge DC falls through.
Okay. So the partner did not go through the agreement.
MAHSING Group BHD, KL, MAHSING, said it is on the lookout for new partners to develop its second data center project, after exclusive talks with Bridge Data Centers lapsed. This is the second data center project collaboration with Bridge Data Centers to have fallen through. After an earlier agreement for a 100 megawatts data center project on a 17.55-acre site in Southville City also lapsed in May.
Okay, looks like this lah. Okay, downtrend flag lah. This one better not chase. Already broken already lah. Okay, doesn't look good lah.
SKYGATE sells Penang factory to Danish medical device maker Ambu for RM 39.8 meters.
Million. Okay. SKYGATE, yeah, trying to break out. Might be something coming lah, something brewing lah, but not very strong lah. Volume is too small for me lah, daily volume lah, for SKYGATE. Trying to break out lah, but I'm not very keen lah. Okay. I'm not very keen this one. If you want to try this one, right? I'm not very keen. Okay, if you want to try this one, maybe you look at here lah. 72 cents lah. It should not drop below 72 cents lah. Okay, if you drop below, then probably not very good lah.
SKYGATE appeals High Court's dismissal of RM 14 meters refund claim against Dynamic Prestige.
Dynamic Prestige.
In a BURSA filing on Tuesday, the civil engineering and precast concrete specialist said the High Court on October 10th dismissed its claim against Dynamic Prestige with costs of RM 35,000, ruling that the documentary evidence presented was not sufficient to support SKYGATE's claim at this stage.
Okay, so this one better not chase lah. So what now we know lah. Probably due to this news lah, it pop up a bit, but now news already come out, better not chase lah.
LBS Bina, Oriental Holdings forged JV for Malacca project.
Okay.
LBS Bina Group BHD, a leading property developer guided by people first principles, has officially entered into 2 joint venture agreements with Oriental Holdings BHD, OHB, to co-develop phases 1A and 1B of an integrated mixed-use project in Klabang, Malacca. In a statement, LBS Bina said the signing ceremony, held yesterday, represented a significant milestone in its strategic collaboration with OHB and sets the foundation for the project's first phase. This follows the Memorandum of Understanding inked by both parties on May 15, 2025.
Okay, should not drop below 41 cents lah. It looks like it's trying to rebound, it's trying to break out, but it doesn't gain any momentum. It's just flat lah. Okay, but maybe longer term it might go lah. But now, for now, nothing is happening lah. Okay, nothing is happening lah. What is it doing? It's not. Looks like it changed already lah. Looks like it's making a triangle lah. I think for momentum, you want to buy in for momentum, right? I think you need to break 48 cents lah. Okay, but drop below 41, I think bad lah. Okay.
Linus to spend RM 500 mil to expand heavy rare earths separation facility in Malaysia.
Okay. Well, because now US is trying to get more these rare earth, all these from other than China lah. So all these other country got chance. That's why I said okay, this US other day I already said US US and China China is using this rare earth as a leverage against US tariff lah. So you this US might look for all the alternative lah. Alternatives, Japan, Malaysia. Now they sign with Malaysia. This Australia, all this so they're asking them to produce more lah. So they will buy more from them. So I said, as I said, these are the countries that might gain from this rare earth. This new conflict lah. Not to say conflict lah. This restriction between US. This trade war between US, this rare earth restriction between US, China and US. So this one probably Australia gain. Malaysia also got new investment coming. Looks like it lah. Looks like good lah. Okay, for us. But a lot of people don't like the Linus lah. Okay, but probably more job, more money lah. Okay. More work
YTL Corp unit makes first hotel investment in New Zealand with RM 388 meters deal.
Million 388 million.
YTL Corporation Berhad's KL YTL subsidiary YTL Hotels and Properties SDNBHD made investments amounting to 160 million New Zealand dollars, RM 388 million, as it acquired the 225-room Hotel Indigo in Auckland, marking its first hotel investment in New Zealand.
Okay, this one doesn't look good. I said the uptrend channel broken. This one doesn't look good. Okay.
LPI capital profit likely to soften in 4Q, though on track for FY 2025. Upside catalyst seen limited. Analysts.
Okay. The stock 12-month TP is 15.87 so also it's around here so nothing much, not much to chase as you say okay, around slightly higher here so the
Malaysia's producer price index down 0.8% in Sept.
Okay, that's good okay.
Zafrul says US trade pact upgrades Malaysia to strategic partner, boosts semiconductor sector standing.
Okay. This is that's why it's good for
investment. Trade and Industry Minister Tengku Datuk Seri Zafrul Aziz said the US trade pact announced over the weekend has helped upgrade Malaysia to a comprehensive strategic partnership, boosting the semiconductor sector's role from a regular supplier to a key supply chain partner. In other words, Malaysia's semiconductor sector, which exported Rm 56.2 billion worth of goods to the US in 2024, nearly 10% of total US semiconductor imports, is now treated as a critical supply chain partner, not just an ordinary vendor, he said.
Okay, this is good lah. Okay, a quick message before we jump to the top gainers. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link, okay. Hey, check out these top gainers. Quite a lot. MCE, even though today very weak market. MCO, MC, a bit high to chase lah. I mean, it might still go, but I think a bit high to chase. See, the bank target is here. It's trying to make a pattern. Okay, probably you need to break here lah. Okay, 687 I didn't break 687 but I think it might come back and do double top I'm not very keen at such a high price MC went up very high last time we picked here so at around 1 ringgit now already up to 5 ringgit 7 ringgit so I don't think I want to chase here 7 ringgit. I don't think so I don't think so. Okay, KGB also already went up very high. KGB today up 1.7 I think KGB is still coming back down you look at, you turn on auto profit sell signal already come out already okay, VS Tech today 3%. VS Tech was just like technology probably still can go higher, just give it some room and see whether what happened between US and China Okay, EG also at the top channel, not good to chase want to drop back here, bottom channel, then only you want to try JF Tech. Okay, I told you right, the double bottom already broken there. Okay, it came back retest, now it's heading towards this second target Okay, second target here JF Tech already drawn this one okay, that day. Okay, so for so should not drop below the neckline which is 57 cent okay, 57 cent should not drop back below 57 cent. Okay, 565 okay, so double bottom I already highlighted this one already. Okay, TAS and shoulder now flat, that's what I'm not keen okay, for now. Okay, it did have some momentum it might come back higher, but I'm not very clean because I see a head and shoulder here. Maybe short term WTK. Oh, too high to chase. Still want to go but I'm not chasing too high already. JCY. Okay, JCY okay, still going as I said jackpot JCY. Okay, breakout you hold this, could be jackpot still going, retreats a bit still going you might have a jackpot okay. capital A. Okay, capital A moving to our target already. Okay, almost the 1.09 stack. Today 17% lah. Yeah, 6 stack lah. Got chance lah. Okay, as long as stay above 19 cent, I think 6 stack got chance to move lah. Okay, need to stay above 19 cent lah. Okay. Best stay above 19 cent lah. Okay. Okay. So that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Okay, bye bye.